it's Mrs. Compton, and today we're going to imagine that we are sharing a pizza. Now, of course, sadly, because of COVID, we can't share a pizza. So here we are, reading about it, drooling over it, but it is what it is, right? Okay, so we've got 4 friends share 2 small pizzas equally. Okay, so just imagine that. We've got 4 people sitting there, and you have 2 pizzas. We need to figure out 2 ways the pizzas could be divided equally. So what are 2 ways we could do that? And then how much pizza will each friend get? Okay, so let's think about that first. You have 4 people and 2 pizzas. Is each person going to get more than 1 whole pizza or less than 1 whole pizza? Think about that. Each person will get less than a whole pizza, right? Because if there are only 2 pizzas and 4 people, you can't have a whole. That or somebody's going to be crying because they're hungry. Okay, so we're sharing 2 pizzas shared with 4 people. To me, that sounds like we're doing 2 divided by 4. Does that sound like 2 divided by 4 to you? Kind of sounds like that to me. I'm just going to put it right there in my brain. 2 divided by 4. Thought bubble. I have to check back in with myself and see if that thought is right later on. Okay, so we have to do 2 ways. So I might as well set myself up for success and just split my board in half into 2 pieces. Otherwise, I'm likely to forget. And then you're going to be calling me up going, Mrs. Compton, you forgot one strategy. All right, so we know we have 4 friends and 2 small pizzas. All right, so I'm going to put my 2 pizzas on there. You can do this with me. Now, let's pretend in this situation that this one is a pepperoni pizza and this one's a cheese pizza. And let's say each of the people want a slice of pepperoni and everybody wants a slice of cheese, right? So you could cut this into fourths, so each person gets 1. And this into fourths, so each person gets 1. Okay, so that makes sense. You get a slice. Let's say person number 1 gets this slice, and person number 1 also gets a slice of cheese. Sweet, we get that. Okay, now that's one way we could do it. Now a second way is, let's say all the pizzas are just cheese pizza. So, or both pizzas, I should say. So this is our second way. And we're just gonna pretend they're both cheese. So if they're both cheese and you're the same person, do you need a slice of cheese from here and a slice of cheese from here? Probably not, right? We just have to divide this into 4 pieces. So let's see, if we divide it in half, do we have 1, 2, 3, 4? So that person number 1 would just get this right here. And then person number 2, person number 3, and person number 4, right? So we kind of cut it up differently because in this case, same flavor. You don't need 1 from each pizza. All right, now there's another piece of this puzzle here we've got to address. And it says, how much pizza will each friend get? Okay, so I actually like looking over here because I can see my answer. I can see this is 1/4 plus another 1/4. So this is 2/4. But over here, I can just see, it's right away, I can just see each person's going to get half, right? Because this is half, this is half, this is half, and this is half. But 2/4 is the same as a half. It's just sliced up differently. All right, kids. So the next time you eat sandwiches, pizzas, brownies, cupcakes, think about all the fraction work that went in there. And I want you to start noticing everywhere you go, there are fractions. Next time you're sitting on the 405 in traffic, check out all the fractions on the signs. You'll start seeing everything covered in fractions, I promise. Guaranteed. All right, kids, see you next time. Bye.